What if the job you're working today doesn't exist tomorrow? Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It writes, designs, edits, codes, and never sleeps. From cashiers to coders, millions fear replacement. Companies choose AI because it's faster, cheaper, and doesn't complain. But here's the truth. AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces tasks. Doctors use AI to detect disease. Creators use it to edit faster. Ideas still belong to humans. Every technology kills old jobs, but creates new ones. The real danger isn't AI. It's being unprepared. So is AI replacing humans? No. It's replacing those who refuse to adapt.